In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ebooks that you can rebrand in just a couple of clicks with your affiliate links. Then you give them away, and if anybody orders from clicking the links in the rebranded ebooks, you earn affiliate commissions. Not only is it a simple way to promote, but it's a win-win for everybody because you're giving away valuable information. People are going to thank you for it. And if they decide to order, then you earn affiliate commissions. But before I go on, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel below and click the notification icon. Thank you. So here's the first ebook that you can rebrand. It's 11 proven techniques to get more sales from classified ads. It's packed with really valuable information on not only how to get more sales and leads from your classified ads, but for any advertising you're doing. There's a lot of good common sense information in here that maybe you just forgot about. Sometimes I look at it and review it and say, wow, I need to put that back into play. An example of this is the pop-ups that I just put up on my site. I was using them before, I'd stopped using them. I looked at this and it reminded me, and I went and I quadrupled my pop-ups, my subscriptions to my newsletter. So there's lots of little things like that. So this is the first ebook, 11 proven techniques to get more sales from classified ads. Now here is the rebrander page. It is really easy. All you do is put in here your affiliate ID of your classifiedsubmissions.com affiliate program. So you can sign up for free here. You just open up here, fill this out, sign it up. It's that simple. It's completely free to do. You put your affiliate ID that you chose here. You do the same thing for coolmarketingsoftware.com here. You click rebrand my ebook, and there you go. You're going to get a rebranded copy of the ebook. Classifiedsubmissions.com pays 50% recurring commissions on the main products, and also pays commissions on a variety of other products that we have as well. There's like 5 different products, and you can just promote one link and earn commissions from all of them. Once people sign up, they're your sale for life, no matter what they order. Same thing here, except for Cool Marketing Software is a flat 50% commissions on software. It's a great deal. Here's how easy the process is. I just put in a test ID here, which is my affiliate ID or my test ID. Test ID here. I click rebrand the ebook, and it's that quick. I'm doing this live. I'm not even editing here. And you get a link right here that you can share with your rebranded ebook. Now, when you use this, copy and paste this into your browser, it'll download the ebook right to your hard drive. So it's that easy. If you want to get the links right now to all the rebrander pages for the ebooks, all 3 of them, actually there will be a 4th one there as well, just comment free ebooks in the comments below and I will send you the links directly. Now let's take a look at the next one. This is the list of free ad sites where you can post affiliate offers, and it's put in ebook form. So this is ebook number 2. So do you think that your group would like to know of a whole bunch of places they can advertise for free? Of course they'd like to know, and you can give this free ebook, this free resource. So let's take a look at it here. Here's the ebook. It looks really nice, and we've got all these banners here. And when you rebrand it, okay, if anybody clicks any one of these banners, and you will get credit because it codes it to your affiliate link. It's a real simple ebook, but it's a real nice resource. Hey, you just send it out to them. They click any of these, and you earn commissions. And we've got all these free ad sites where people can place their free ads. So you can send this out to your list. You can post it on social media. You can do a YouTube video all about it and build up your YouTube channel. It's up to you. But here's a free resource that you can give away, and people love you for it. You can include it in your autoresponder follow-up emails just as a series. So all your drip feed emails that you use with your email system like System, whatever, put this here, a real nice link to your rebranded ebook. Again, to rebrand it, it's easy. Here's the rebrander page. You just come here, put in your affiliate ID, click rebrand, and your ID is there. I'm going to click right here. Okay, I'm going to click here to download my ebook. I'm going to download it right here, and we're going to take a look at the ebook just to see what it looks like. Okay, now I've got the downloaded ebook. I'm not even editing on this. I'm just going real time. That's how fast it is. And if you come here, you have to go down to the lower left of the screen. You hover your mouse around it. Okay, and if you go to the lower left of the screen, if I move my mouse, I'll put an arrow on it. You can see that there's test ID in the URL. and it is coded to you. So if someone clicks here, they go to classifiedsubmissions.com, it sets a cookie, and anybody orders, you get credit. If you want to go ahead and just get all 3 of these ebooks, go ahead and comment below free ebooks, and I will send all the links to the rebrander pages to the ebooks. You could rebrand instantly and start sending them out to your group. So just comment free ebooks in the comments area, and I'll send this out to you. Now here is ebook number 3, 57 ways to get traffic to your website. It has an incredible amount of information. Look at the table of contents. On and on and on. There's so many ideas. A lot of them are for free on how to get traffic to your website. And so go ahead and check this ebook out. It's really worth it. I put a ton of time into this. And this is something you can give away for free, and go to the rebrander and rebrand it so all these links will, like this one right here, will be coded to you. Anybody clicks and orders after you gave them this ebook that I should be selling for $300 or something, almost like a course, you're going to get credit for it. It's great. So the rebrander page is just the same as the others. Again, you've got the affiliate program for realppvtraffic.com. Again, same system. Click here, sign up for the affiliate program, 2 seconds, fill it out, and you come back here, put in your affiliate ID to all the other different programs. On this one, you can even put your ClickBank ID if you want, your Facebook page. We added a few extra features. You click rebrand it, you've got your rebranded ebook just like I showed you. I mean, look at this. This is an incredible resource. Nothing for nothing. The great thing about this is that when you're giving away this ebook, you're approaching them with value. You're not just saying, buy my thing, buy my business opportunity, or whatever it is you're pitching. It's, hey, I've got a valuable resource for you. Check this out. And you really do have a valuable resource. This, hours and hours went into it. There's a lot of great information. You could learn a lot from this ebook. I don't care who you are. I could learn it by rereading it. Okay, look at all this. They're just great ideas. So it's really a win-win way to approach people rather than just saying, here's my thing, buy my thing, buy, I'm the best, blah, blah, blah. People have heard that over and over again. It's a softer approach. You're developing some trust, some authority with the person giving this away. It's a much better way to build contacts. So you've got 3 ebooks right there. Now here is actually the 4th ebook. I promised you 3, but I'm giving you 4. And this one's really interesting. This is a guide to getting more traffic and leads for your local business, because this is a great market. As a matter of fact, it's a better market than the make money from home market or affiliate marketing market. It really is, because we're talking about higher tickets. This is a high ticket affiliate program. The packages start at $500 and go over to $1,000, and you can make commissions up to $700 sending this to local businesses. Local businesses are making money and they're looking for ways to advertise. They have an advertising budget, so they're willing to spend more. They sell higher ticket items, and therefore they're willing to spend more on higher ticket promotional packages. So we do video marketing for local businesses. We have a number of clients that we work with. We do all the work. All you have to do is refer us. You could start off by just giving them your rebranded ebook, and if they order, you can earn up to $700. Now here's the page where you sign up for the toprankedvideo.com affiliate program. You can earn up to $700 commissions on just referring this. And it's the same thing. You get your affiliate link, you rebrand the ebook, and you give this away to local businesses. We all know local businesses. We patronize local businesses all the time. You just go to local businesses that you know and say, hey, you know what? I've got this really great guide on how to get more sales and leads for local businesses. It's free. Can I just send it to you? Get their phone number, send them the attachment of your ebook. If they order, you can get like $700. Or you could go to everyone in your phone and say, do you know anyone who could benefit from this? You don't even have to pitch that person, saying, hey, this is a really great guide for someone in this local business. Do you know anybody who could benefit from this? You might get some sales. And you have unlimited local businesses that you can contact about this. You could contact 50 local businesses a day giving this away. And as simple as that, eventually someone's going to click it and order. And we do all the work. It's a lot of work too, doing the video marketing. So there you go. You have 4 ebooks you can rebrand with your own affiliate links, give them away to the whole world, and earn affiliate commissions. Many of them are recurring affiliate commissions. You've got a whole bunch of ebooks that you can give away. None of this costs you a dime. It's all free. Now listen, I can't guarantee you're going to make money, but I can tell you this, on all of these things, I've sold these plans and products, sometimes hundreds and hundreds of times. So I know it can work. It definitely can work. It's going to be up to your effort and how much effort you put into it. Okay? Hey, a lot of this you can just kind of do as you go. Doesn't have to be a big project. Just we'll recommend people here and there, especially with this local marketing one. Just every time you go somewhere, get a phone. Sometimes personal contact like that works better than a lot of the techie online stuff. Just get a personal contact of someone who's local business. Hey, check out this guy. What do you think? That can work quite well. So you've got the equipment, you've got the ebooks. Go ahead and get started below. Comment free ebooks below. I'll give you the links to the rebrander pages, and you can get going. I also like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification icon, and if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and click the video down below as well. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May, Quick Register SEO.